excited because it's totally a new stickers and it's really cool. I think you can use this any season. Oop, too sharp. You behind the scene laugh. If it's too sharp, it's okay. Sometimes it happens and you still have 1,000 star out there. I just have to be careful because it's not so sharp. Yes. Okay, so here's a look of this nails. We're gonna do precision glue in just a second because we're waiting for this one. Interesting. Right, I'm gonna move it right here so you can see. It's really easy to get this, and sometimes I think it's too sharp for me. I supposed to hold it up, but because one hand I'm holding the nails and you can do it with any colors. You don't have to do clear nails like what I have right now. Oh, I found half the star right there. If you don't have the half as your stars, you can cut it. Oh, it's already have it there for me. Cool. You can pretty much like, I know, fascinating seeing with all different colors of it. You can do from smaller to the bigger. This is so super easy to place them on. Really simple. If you do the client's nails like in red or blue or any, like it doesn't have to be red and blue, it has other colors in there. So I seen like it has cheetahs, animal print stars in there. Okay, let me show it closer. It's really cool though, stunning. Why so far away? All right, like look at that, cheetahs. What is that one though?
There's a lot of fun stuff.
There's a lot of fun stuff. It's really interesting. All right, so give it a little quick rub it in, and I am gonna put one coat.
Yes.
I'm gonna put some shimmery on it, see how it's gonna turn out. Today's different contents, and I'm so excited. And then thanks to Sarah too, there's a lot of cool ideas to share, and she's will give me a lot of ideas. All right, so I'm gonna put just a little bit. If you have some similar shimmer gel polish or loose glitter, I would don't using too much. You're gonna take it away from. All right, so we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds. I don't know. So I can't wait to see you doing it. This it's really cool. And then in the meantime, I am going to using our precision glue to fill in between all the gaps and cracks of crystals. And first, on the cap and top cap will take you to the needles, the precision needles, and I will do little quick exam, checking on it if you're scratchy, and you can fill it in all the cracks and the gaps between crystals. Each time you're gonna use just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. And also can be using for like smaller crystal placements, like smaller size crystal placements. And if you're missing one or two stone, or you've applied your crystal along with your cuticles, you can also use this. Precision glue too is a thinner formulas compared to condensed glue gel, but it works amazing. It's same as the formula with condensed glue gel, but thinner. All right, so I'm gonna clear this one for 60 seconds. That will help you in the class sit back and ensure they are not gonna catching on their hair, or avoiding or limiting of catching on their hairs a lot. Oh, this one is cool. Let's see what we're gonna do with this. We're gonna put some star on this. I'm gonna using condensed glue gels and put some crystal stars on it and see how it turned out for us. Really cool. It can be turned out really nice, but it can be, we'll see how things gonna turn out. Just make sure you blend the condensed glue gel. If you're first time using our condensed glue gel, you might notice that it's really thick density, which is absolutely normal. Just blend it out so then they will not stay really thick or clumpy after you're floating your top coat on. And that's condensed glue gel is the first step of 3-step methods. You can find that 3-step for the two from if you're searching on Trifecta. So okay, so I am going to using a no wipe top coat. Okay, I think I'm just off camera somehow.
That's good.
Should I put the big star, or should I put some smaller crystal reds and blue? All right, so debating. Or even I can do both of them. Let's see. Oh, it's not bad at all. Oh, okay. Oh, I like it. I don't know, but I like it though. It's like it's kind of 3-dimensional.
I want big star.
Huh? What does it want?
Big star.
Hmm? What? Big star? Oh, okay.
I don't think the stars.
That's a star. This one?
Quite big. If you get big, I don't know if you can fit.
What big star? This one?
Yeah, or you can throw something fun.
No, I think I like it like this. Okay, let's do something different than probably usually people don't think, but we're gonna do it and see how it turns out. Hey, if you don't like this look, you can always take the crystal off, you know? This stone doesn't like. Oh, finally.
Really nice.
If you like happy with this, then we're gonna clear this one for 60 seconds. And let me see. Alright. Great, so clear for 60 seconds for this nails.